Life used to be simple and peaceful. Humans lived in complete harmony with nature, cultivating land, growing crops, and breeding animals. But things have changed. Since the Industrial Revolution, the world has been through significant ecological changes, and human decisions made clear impacts on the environment. We are all to blame for this situation. It is now the time to take action and act to make our planet a better place for us and for the next generations. Industrial companies have become involved and have decided to act. They have begun to implement eco-friendly methods, proving that it is possible to retain production progress and growth while reducing impact on the environment. Demco is one of the first companies to support this vision. Founded in 1991 and employing over 4,500 people, the Demco Group has continued to grow and innovate in order to maintain its competitiveness.
In order to reduce its impact on the environment, Demco decided a few years ago to make several investments, for example, reducing water consumption and treating polluted wastewater, reducing its electricity consumption from non-renewable sources, and producing electricity from photovoltaic panels, and modern dyeing and washing technologies that consume less water, less energy, and less chemicals. Demco has an ambitious vision to be the leader in sustainable and responsible clothing manufacturing, driving the company towards its ultimate goal of zero-impact manufacturing. To achieve this vision, 20 people from different departments met to develop an action plan for 2025. 16 objectives were set in different environmental fields: climate, energy, water, wastewater, air, waste, and finished product. These objectives were implemented by more than 30 actions or projects. The Sustainable Development Strategy of Demco is a living strategy, which means that it's reviewed and updated every year. It's based on several principles, such as the search for efficiency or doing better with less resources, the profitability of its project, innovation, while placing circular economy at the heart of its actions.
At Demco, we are concerned about the environment, and our vision is clear: continue with passion and dedication to achieve our mission of ecological transition.
If you want to know more about Demco's sustainable strategy, subscribe to the channel by clicking here and stay tuned for the next videos.